Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to set or change the passcode on your iPhone to secure your iPhone and safeguard your data by following these steps. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll until you see the Face ID and Passcode options. You'll see the Touch ID and Passcode option if you have an iPhone with a home button. Face ID and Passcode options are available on my iPhone settings page. Suppose you are not showing on your iPhone, then jump to video on Remove Restrictions if you enabled. Now tap on Face ID and Passcode, scroll down, and select Turn on the Passcode or Change the Passcode. I am turning it on for the first time, so my iPhone will prompt me to set passcode page and show Enter your new passcode. Now it's time to generate your new passcode. Tap Passcode options. Choose from a 4-digit or 6-digit code or numeric to customize the length of your passcode. Otherwise, select a custom numeric or alphanumeric code to combine letters and numbers. Once you've selected your desired option, please enter and re-enter your new passcode to verify. Your device will show the Enter Apple ID password page. Enter your Apple ID password and tap the Sign In option at the top right corner. If you forgot your Apple ID password, follow the procedure given on the above video card. After successfully setting up your passcode, you can unlock your iPhone using Face ID or Touch ID depending on your device model. If your Face ID and passcode is missing, launch the Settings app and tap on Screen Time. Here, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions under the Restrictions section. After that, scroll down and tap on Passcode Changes under the Allow Changes section. Your device will ask you to enter a screen time passcode. If you forget, get a tip to recover forgot screen time passcode on the above video card. Here, select the Allow option. That's it. Now go back to the Settings page and scroll down to see the Face ID and Passcode. If the issue still persists, your device may have parental controls activated, which could have been enabled by a parent's phone. Alternatively, if you have a work or school email account on your device, the administrator may have restricted the ability to change the passcode. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.